Hey y'all, it's John here, and we're gonna be making a sequel to Grandpa's Farm. We found, I've tracked down the guy that had Grandpa's old tractor, and he said he had another surprise for us, so we'll see. And I don't have the gooseneck because it wasn't mine. We did a switch shop with my friend. He took my semi and lowboy, and then he took my gooseneck. So yeah. No, I took his gooseneck, yeah. Okay. But anyways, we're gonna head to that farm. He didn't use it that much, so that's why it's really nice condition still. So anyways, let's head over there. Okay, so wait, hold on a second. That's Grandpa's old truck. That must be dude. That's so cool. I remember riding in this. This must have been the surprise. Wow, dude. My God. Okay, so he also told me he doesn't want to be on camera, so sadly I can't go and talk to him. And he said this was sitting in his garage for a while, but he kept it maintained, so at least he took good care of the stuff. And he said the tractor was in the barn. I'm not really sure what it was, but anyways, I'll go around this way. Oh my God. Wow. Dude. This is awesome. It's supposed to be like a white, like 4 175 or something. I know, 4 275. This is huge. Wow. Well, okay. Um, let's see here. So we'll open up the front doors. And we'll get this detached. Pull this ahead. Now I don't know if we can pull the tractor and the truck up there, but we'll see. So hop up here. Oh, I barely had to. Dude, I barely had to touch the key. Oh my God, this thing's beautiful. see. Back up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so yeah, we'll be able to get the truck on here. Put out those extenders. And now we're gonna go grab the truck. Alright, so we'll hop in here. Dude, this thing runs like a dream. Yeah, let's pull her up on here. We'll come back for another round. You know what, that can't hurt it. This thing's built like steel. Oops. Slide it under there. Alright, let's head home. Maybe I'll just leave it. Maybe I'll come back later. Oh, Cab Over Kenny is struggling. Well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go back, take this back to my house, and get Grandpa's truck back. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.